The biggest statement what me hear every day is a man need respect. Yeah. Every time me hear a woman talk, she says a man needs respect. Ladies, yes, respect is one. But if you sit down and you realize what a man really need is help. Yeah, it may sound funny, but what a man need is help. Yes, you can respect the man a lot, but you're not help him to go forward. A man need help. Respect cannot go to the bank. A man need help to make that money. A man need help to grow. A man need help to carry that basket. A man need help to carry that load. Peace. I'm out.